Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve examples using parallel condition to find equation of straight line. See the condition first. If two straight lines are parallel, then the condition is m1 value is equals to what? m2. So m1 means first line slope, m2 means second line slope. Okay. So if two straight lines are parallel, so m1 value always equals to what here? m2 value. So here three types of question comes. So in that first we will discuss the type 1 question. So this is the type 1 question. See that question is find equation of straight line passing through the point 2, -3 and parallel to x minus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0. See here you need to find out which value? Equation of straight line. Okay, so this line is passing through one point, that is 2, -3, and this line is parallel to another line. That second line equation is already given, that is x minus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0. See, generally I'm going to consider this. See here I'm going to consider the first line. So this is the first line. This first line is passing through which point here? 2, -3. Passing through which point? 2, -3, and this line is parallel to another line. This second line equation is already given, x minus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0. So now what to do? You need to find out the first line equation. So this first line you need to find out what here? Equation. This is question mark. So you know when the line passing through one point, which formula you are going to use? This y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. This formula we are going to use. To apply this formula you need which values? You need m value, that is slope value, and you need x1 and y1 value. So here one point is already given, 2, -3. Okay, but here slope is not given, therefore this is the first line. So this line slope I am going to consider as m1, and second line already equation is given. So here using this equation you need to find out which value first here? m2 means second line slope you need to find out. Why you need to find out second line slope? Because here you are going to apply the condition, that is parallel condition. For this parallel condition first we need which value here? m2 value. So to find out m2 value we are going to use this equation. So first find out m2, next using this condition find out m1 value. After that using these two values find out the equation. Therefore solution, first consider the equation x minus 4y plus 7 is equals to 0. It is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here a value, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient include the negative sign also, that is -4, and c value is how much here? 7. Therefore first we are going to apply the slope formula. You know slope m2 is equals to, what is the formula? Minus a divided by b. So minus sign keep it as it is. A value is 1, so substitute here 1, and b value is -4. So minus divided by minus goes to a plus, therefore m2 value 1/4. Now you got which value? m2 using this equation. Okay, so next which value we need? m1 value. So how to find out m1? So use which condition here? Parallel condition. Therefore you have to write the condition, since two lines, these two lines, so this, since two lines are parallel, m1 value is equals to what here? m2 value. Okay, so here you know m2 value, correct? m2 value is how much here? 1 by 4. Therefore m2 value becomes 1 by 4. This is only the value of what here? m1, because of which condition? Parallel condition. Therefore m1 is equals to 1 divided by 4, and already 1 point it is passing to which point? Through which point? 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma minus 3 becomes x1 y1. So you got 1 point and m1 value. So now using these two, you need to find out which value here? Equation of straight line. Therefore equation of straight line formula, y minus y1 is equals to m1 into bracket x minus of x1. So here substitute y1 value, x1 value and m1 value. Therefore y minus y1 is minus 3. So here minus 3. m1 is 1 upon 4 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 2. So next do the cross multiplication. So if you cross multiply, this 4 will come in the numerator here. Okay, so this 4 will come in the numerator. So 4 into bracket y plus 3 is equals to 1 into bracket x minus of 2. X minus of 2. Therefore 4 into y, 4y, plus 4 into 3, 12, 1 into x, x, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Therefore next x contains positive sign, so because of that reason plus 4y plus 12 I am going to shift to right hand side. So here remaining value is 0 equals to, already x is there in the right hand side, keep it as it is, plus 4y becomes minus 4y, plus 12 becomes minus 12, and minus 2 keep it as it is. Therefore x minus 4y minus 12 minus 2 is how much? Minus 14 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next question. Same. Find equation of straight line passing through the point 2, 3 and parallel to the line 5x plus 6y plus 1 is equals to 0. So here also same. One line I am going to consider. This line is passing through 2, 3 and this line equation you want. So to find out equation you need slope value. Therefore slope you don't know. So m1 is question mark. Again what they are telling, this line is parallel to one more line. That second line equation is already given. What is that? 5x plus 6y plus 1 is equals to 0. Here m2 is question mark, means second line slope you don't know, so slope is question mark. So first we need m2 value. Therefore we are going to consider the second line equation, that is solution. Let 5x plus 6y plus 1 is equals to 0. So it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So a is equals to 5, b is equals to 6 and c is equals to how much here? 1. Therefore first find out slope. Slope m2 is equals to, what is the formula? Minus a divided by b. So minus, keep it as it is. A is 5, b is 6. Therefore m2 value becomes how much? Minus 5 divided by 6. So you got m2 value. Now which value you want? m1. So we are going to use which condition here? Parallel condition. So write that condition. Since two lines are parallel, then m1 value is equals to what here? m2. Therefore m2 value already you know, minus 5 by 6, that is only becomes which value here? m1 value, because of this condition. Therefore m1 value minus 5 by 6 and 1 point already it is given. So which point? 2, 3. So that is the value of x1 and y1. So now you need equation of straight line. Therefore equation of straight line formula, y minus y1 is equals to m1 into bracket x minus of x1. Next substitute the values. So y1 is 3, so write here 3, m1 minus 5 by 6 and x1 is how much here? 2. So next, cross multiplication. So if you do the cross multiplication, 6 comes in the numerator here. 6 into bracket, what is the remaining value? Y minus 3 is equals to minus 5 into x minus of 2. Open the bracket. So 6 into y, 6y, 6 into minus 3, minus 18, minus 5 into x is minus 5x, minus into minus is plus, 5 into 2 is 10. So here x contains negative sign, so because of that reason these two values I am going to shift to which side here? Left hand side. So if I shift minus 5x to left hand side, minus 5x becomes what? Plus 5x, plus 6y already it is there, keep it as it is, minus 18 also already it is there, keep it as it is, plus 10 becomes what? Minus 10 equals to 0. Therefore final answer 5x plus 6y minus 18 minus 10 is minus 28 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next, type 2. See, in this type 2, see the question first. Find equation of straight line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and parallel to the line joining 2 points minus 2, 6 and 5, 9. Here also same, you need to find out equation of straight line only. That line passing through which point here? 3, minus 4, and which is parallel to another line, but here another line is joining how many points? 2 points it is given. So see here. So first line is there, this line passing through which point? 3, minus 4, and this line is parallel to another line. This another line is passing through how many points here? 2 points. Okay, but if you compare this example with the previous, that is type 1, in that type 1 second line equation is already given in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, but here equation is not given. Instead of equation, here 2 points are given, first point and second point. Here what to do first? Using these 2 points, first you need to find out which value? M2. So after finding M2, using parallel condition, find out M1. After finding M1, using these two, find out this line equation. Therefore solution, let second line points you consider minus 2, 6 x1 y1 and 5, 9 is x2 y2. So you know, if 2 points are given, what is the slope formula? M2 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now substitute the points. So y2 9 minus y1 is 6 divided by x2 5 minus x1 is minus 2. Therefore 9 minus 6 is 3, minus into minus is plus, 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So you got which value? M2. Now you need which value here? M1. So write the condition. So what is the condition? Since two lines are parallel, M1 is equals to what here? M2. Therefore you know M2 value, how much you got here? 3 by 7, that is only the value of what here? M1. Therefore M1 is equals to 3 by 7 and point is given which point? 3, minus 4, consider as x1 y1. So now first line, what you want? Equation. Therefore equation of straight line, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m1 into bracket x minus of x1. Now substitute the points. So y minus y1 is minus 4, keep it in bracket, m1 3 divided by 7 into x minus x1 is how much here? 3. Next again fraction value cross multiplication, this 7 will come in the numerator, okay, numerator, then y plus minus into minus goes to plus 4 is equals to remaining value 3 into bracket x minus 3. Open the bracket. Therefore 7 into y is 7y, 7 into 4, 28. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. X contains positive sign, so because of that reason I am going to shift plus 7y plus 28 to right hand side. Therefore that time here remaining value is 0 is equals to 3x, keep it as it is, plus 7y becomes minus 7y, plus 28 becomes minus 28, already minus 9 is present. Therefore 3x plus 7y minus 28 minus 9 is how much? Minus 37 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. So this is the type 2. Next, type 3. See, in type 3, question is find equation of straight line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and which is parallel to which axis? X axis. Okay, so here axis you consider. So here the axis I am going to consider x axis and y axis. So 3, minus 4, x is positive, y is negative, means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant I am going to trace here one straight line. So this is that point 3, minus 4. This line is parallel to which axis? X axis, correct? So here one condition you have to remember. What is that condition? Since the line is parallel to x axis, this line is parallel to which axis here? X axis. Whenever the line is parallel to x axis, the condition is slope m value directly goes to how much here? 0. Okay, this is the condition when the line which is parallel to x axis, therefore m value goes to 0. Therefore see, in that line already one point is given 3, minus 4. Consider x1 y1 and slope value directly goes to how much here? 0. So now we need equation of straight line. Therefore equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus of x1. Substitute the points. So y, keep it as it is, minus y1 value is minus 4, in bracket you write, is equals to m value is 0 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 3. So next y minus into minus goes to what? Plus 4 is equals to 0 into any value goes to how much here? 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Here one thing you observe here, x value you are not getting. Why you are not getting x value? Because this line is parallel to which axis here? X axis. Because of that reason you are not getting which value? X value. Therefore what is the required equation of straight line? Y plus 4 is equals to 0.